Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into SS Bank on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone. First unlock your iPhone using Face ID or Touch ID and make sure your phone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Open the SS Bank app. Next tap the SS Bank app icon on your home screen. Then you will be taken to the login screen. Step 3. Enter your login details. On the login screen, enter your username or register mobile number and type in your password. If prompt, enable Face ID or Touch ID for quicker future logins. Step 4. Complete security verification. For security, SS Bank may ask you to confirm your identity using Face ID, enter a one-time PIN OTP sent to your phone, or approve the login request in the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue. Step 5. Access your account. Once verification is completed, you will be logged in to your SS Bank dashboard where you can view account balance, transfer money, pay bills, manage cards, and banking service. And that's how you can log in into SS Bank using an iPhone. For your safety, always log out in using a shared or public device. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.